Hello everyone and welcome to JoJo's Brick Time. We are at day 22 and I'm looking forward to opening it for you. Door 22, let's see what we get. And oh wow, it's a table setting of drinks and cakes and candle stands. Oh, this is going to be good. Let's open you up and see. And Andrea, yes, I know you really want a drink or some cake. Let's start by putting this table together. It's a nice simple design and it's quite large actually for all the micro dolls. And here is the drinks holder, and we've got 3 glasses here with some pink drink. Maybe it's pink red creamy soda. Oh, that's our favourite in our house. And this is the stand for this candlestick, and I need to pop some flames on it, on the candlestick. Look at this. And now the cake stand, because we are going to have a yummy 3-layer cake on here. Chocolate, strawberry and vanilla icing, and I'll pop a meringue on top. This looks fantastic. I'm going to pop all the girls here. And Andrea's decided to do some break dancing for us. Good dancing, Andrea. We've got Olivia, little Mia here with her stack hat. And I'm going to join them. We're all happy families at the dinner table, and Mia's run off, so has Emma. Is this what happens at your place? It's just utter chaos at the dinner table during Christmas lunch or dinner. Happy times. All right, day 23 tomorrow. Cannot wait.